Hey, Sean the camera guy, it's summer, and what do we love to do in the summer?
We love to surf.
We love to surf, we love to body surf, we love to camp, and we definitely love to make smash burgers on the Blackstone Camping Griddle. So let's make our world famous endless summer smash burger inspired by the Bruce Brown surf movie from the 1960s. This smash burger is loaded with fresh and delicious veggies, and it is a true taste of the summer. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. Let's get started like we often do by prepping our veggies. We're gonna use green leaf lettuce today, we're gonna slice up some red onion, and we're using Hothouse tomatoes. Now later in the summer, at the very end of the summer, we would go with Jersey tomatoes, but those aren't exactly ready to go right now, so we'll go with the Hothouse for today. Once our veggies are ready, we will shape our ground beef into balls, and we're gonna go with about 1/4 pounders today. We'll add some whiskey burger seasoning, but we're gonna go a little bit light on that whiskey burger seasoning this time, and I'll show you why in just a few minutes. Let's fire our Blackstone Camping Griddle up to high heat, and don't let anybody out there tell you that you cannot get a great smash burger crust on these nonstick titanium ceramic Blackstone Camping Griddles, because you can. Trust me, we've done it a few times. I'm gonna smash these 1/4 pounders for at least 10 seconds, and I'm actually gonna roll around a little bit to make sure I get all of them so I get that golden crust on every part of these burgers. Then I'm gonna put some of the Duke's mayo on my hamburger buns, and we're gonna put those down and toast them to perfection. And then a real pro move that I have not done in a long time, I'm gonna sprinkle some whiskey burger seasoning on top of the Martin's potato rolls, and then I'm gonna flip those tops, and I'm gonna let the tops toast too, and these are gonna taste like fresh baked bakery bread. So I'm gonna get the, ooh.
One fallen soldier.
Ah! These buns look like they are toasted to perfection, so let's pull them off and get them on our plate. Now it looks like it is time to flip our smash burgers over for the moment of truth and to see if we got that awesome golden crust that we love so much. And yes, once again, looks like we nailed it on these camping griddles. Let's also put down our American cheese for that perfect meltiness that we like so much, and let's get our lettuce down on our buns so that as soon as the smash burgers are done, we are ready to assemble them. Our cheese has melted to an absolute level of perfection, as American cheese always does. So now let's assemble our burgers. Let's put the burger down. We're gonna put some red onion on top. We're gonna put some tomato on top of that. It's already got some SPG on it. And we're gonna go down with a couple of pickles for a little bit of extra crunch. Then we're gonna top these things and dive in. I love two things about these endless summer smash burgers. I love the way that they look. I love the pops of color from the red onion, the tomato, the pickles, even from the American cheese. And of course, I also love the way that these taste. Sean, what did you think of what I called a pro move of putting that whiskey burger seasoning on the top of the buns and then toasting that up?
You know, I was doubtful, but it was actually really good. I think I'll pick up that pro move.
A simple pro move, really easy, and it makes it taste like fresh baked bread. This burger has so many different layers of flavor. I love having all the veggie on there for a summer smash burger. This is not necessarily how I do it all year round, but when summer comes around, this is what I crave. This is the burger that I want the most during those summer months when I don't want summer to end. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's episode of Camp Griddle More. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite summer smash burger is, the smash burger that you are making this summer, whether it's at home or at the campground, and we will see you right back here next week at Camp Griddle More. Thank you so much for joining us.